Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about HTTP request and HTTP response with its components. When we send something from client to the server, or we can say when we send something from a browser to the web server, is called as a request, which can termed as HTTP request. This request has some components. So first one is URL. Each request must have URL, verb or method. Each request must have HTTP verb or method, header or headers. Each request either have one single header or multiple headers. Body. Each request will have body, data. Each request should have data that we want to send to the server. These are major components of HTTP request. Now let's see HTTP response. Whatever data we get from the server to the clients called HTTP response. HTTP response contains some components. Status code. Each response must have status code. Response headers. It must have response headers. Data. Response can have data that will send to the client. Along with these three components, other components also there, but these are the important components in HTTP response. So we must focus on these components in order to work with HTTP request and response principles. Thank you so much for watching this video.